Hi, welcome to Happy Coding. Today we are going to see about the future of artificial intelligence. There is a myth that artificial intelligence will replace human jobs. Is that true? Let's see. First step is to understand what artificial intelligence is all about. Basically, computer systems programmed to work like human. It is narrowed to certain areas like language translation, speech recognition, visual perception, decision making, problem solving, learning and plan. Many of the problems that machines are expected to solve will require knowledge about the real world. Those machines has to be programmed to identify or recognize things like objects, relations, concepts, and properties, etc. It works based on what it was taught or self-learn, machine learning, for decision-making/problem solving with the available resource. Here is the small example given in the image, that shows how the artificial intelligence is created to identify a dog. There are many types of AI available to help us work smarter. They are reactive AI. It's the most basic form of AI. It will react based on the situation directly. It does not have capabilities like memories of previous experiences and implement it in future. Example, IBM's chess playing supercomputer and Google's AlphaGo. Limited memory AI. This has little bit of memory of the past experiences and will use it to make decisions and to take appropriate actions. Example, self-driving cars, chatbots for automated customer support, and personal assistance apps in smartphones. Narrow AI, weak AI. This is like programming the AI for certain purposes like smartphone assistants, Cortana, Google Assistant, Alexa and Siri. Theory of mind AI. This type of AI has the capability to understand emotions, feelings, facial expressions, and can reciprocate accordingly. But this type of AI is still under testing phase. In few countries like Japan and Hong Kong have created humanoids and robots. Example, Sony's Abo pet puppy, Sophia robot. General intelligence, strong AI. This type of AI will work like humans. It can answer anything in particular field like pillow robot, personal healthcare companion, but yet to attain the human level of intelligence. Self-aware AI. This is the advanced level. It is expected to do what a human can do and even more than that. It can alter their own behavior. This is not yet developed, still they are in research phase. Superhuman intelligence AI. This is something like what we have seen in sci-fi movies, robots with power of human-like thinking and perform tasks that even not feasible for humans. What are the fields using AI? AI research uses tools and insights from many fields, including computer science, psychology, philosophy, neuroscience, cognitive science, linguistics, operations research, finance, healthcare, education, economics, transportation, control theory, probability, optimization and logic. AI research also overlaps with tasks such as robotics, control systems, scheduling, data mining, logistics, speech recognition, facial recognition and many others. Examples are chatbots, automated online assistants, used in many websites of cell phone carriers, mail carriers, e-shopping, broadband and insurance companies, etc. Personal assistance apps in cell phones. Benefits of AI. Uses of AI are listed below. Healthcare, telemedicine, personal healthcare companion. Smartphone personal assistant like Siri, Alexa, Cortana, and Google Assistant, etc. Chatbots, used in handling thousands of customers through chat at the same time, whereas humans cannot chat with more than 1 to 2 customers at a time. Cybersecurity, both AI and machine learning are used to identify cybersecurity threats and respond to them. Robots implemented in war fields, hospitals, nuclear plants, lifting heavy weights, and those tasks are hazardous for human being to perform. Increases automation, packaging and manufacturing, example, Amazon and car manufacturing plant. Risks of AI. We cannot say output from AI are always correct, there may be possibilities of wrong results too. It works based on how it has been taught through machine learning or pre-programmed. Similarly, AI will be more dangerous if it's gone into wrong hands, especially weapon systems, healthcare, and legal. Many technologists are warning that artificial intelligence could one day pose an existential security threat. Still, human-level intelligence in AI, called artificial general intelligence, AGI, has not achieved yet, but once it is achieved, then it will not take much time to achieve the level of superhuman level. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Links are given in the description below. Email, happycodingblog@gmail.com. Blog, happy4coding.blogspot.com. Twitter, https://twitter.com/madandevarajan.